Now let's start this eyelash extension process. You want to start off with sanitizing your hands, and then you also want to prep your client by taping down the lower lashes with gel pads. If you find that they don't fit or stick properly, go ahead and grab some tape and tape it on down where needed. If you happen to miss a few of the lower lashes, go ahead and add tape at the waterline to make sure that those are covered up as well. Before taping down the other eye, have your client close their eyes. This is going to prevent the eye from watering. That way you don't have to deal with that issue. Now go ahead and have the client close their eyes, make sure it is a comfortable fit. And now you just want to brush through the lashes to break off any of the loose hairs that there may be in the eyelashes. And let's get to the cleansing portion. Grab your cleanser in 2 micro swabs and put a dab of cleanser on each, and go ahead and take one underneath and one over the lashes and work from one end to the other end of the lash to clean. Now once you're done cleaning, you want to go ahead and brush your hairs, that way they're in their original growth pattern, and begin the gluing process. So grab your glue and give it a shake for a good 15 seconds. Now you are ready to lash. Go ahead and take your tweezers and begin to isolate. Once you can isolate one single hair between your tweezers, go ahead and attach your extension to that hair. As you can see, I've actually applied a few to this eye. I also brush in between my applications just to make sure there's no lashes that are sticking together and everything's still flowing in neat as eyelash. And then I also rotate between eyes, so that way one eye is not fuller or thicker than the next eye. I'll apply about 10 to one eye, then rotate to the next eye, and vice versa. Just keep doing that until it's all the way full like I like it. Now the hairs in the corner of the lash are of course a lot shorter, so you want to apply your shorter lashes here. It does help if you actually tape the lid and pull it over. That way it actually spreads those hairs out. And if you also have a hard time seeing, it does help to wear magnifying glasses. That way you're able to see those smaller hairs as well. So still treat it the same though, and make sure you're only applying each extension to one single hair. Alright, and this is the lashes angle. This is what it looks like from us as lashers view. The hairs do grow in layers. There are some underneath, there are some in the middle, they're crisscrossing, all of that. So it does take some great precision to actually get in there and isolate, but it's very important to isolate and take your time. Do not rush through it. It is a tedious, long task, but you want to make sure you're only applying an extension to one single hair. That way you're not sticking any hairs together and putting your client at risk for traction alopecia. At this point, I realized a few of the lashes did get stuck, so I'm going to take my debonder and troubleshoot this area by taking the lash that I applied that is stuck to other lashes. Take that one off. That way it removes the glue that on the surrounding lashes as well. Brush it through and just begin the process again. And of course, we just keep lashing, just keep lashing. So as you can see, my right side is a little fuller than my left, so now I'm going to go back to my left to give it some more attention and fill in all of those spaces to catch it up with the right eye. Alright, and both sides are full just like I like it. This is a nice classic set. Gonna go ahead and brush all the hairs in order, make sure everything is flowing properly, and hit her with some nano mist. She loves this part. Most of my clients do. Not only do I nano mist the lashes, I also nano mist their face. This particular set only took about 2 hours and 15 minutes to complete. I did use the lengths 10, 12, 14 mm, B curl, 0.20 density, and I must say that the set actually accentuated and complemented her almond shaped eyes very well. She was pleased and I was pleased also. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making it. If you have any comments or questions, make sure you leave it in the comment section below. And if you are interested in training, visit us online at www.everythinglash.com. And also make sure you like and subscribe. That way you're always updated with our videos and great tips we have for lashers out here. And if you haven't already, join us on our Facebook group. Everything Lash Academy is a great lash community with lashers from all around the world. Bye.